Today we will discuss about one of the project in data analysis. So in this project we have analyzed the text. So the project is analyze the text data analysis based on the YouTube comments. So we have gathered one of the data set of YouTube comments. So from this we have to performing sentiment analysis and word cloud analysis and perform emoji analysis. This is the entire project. Today we will discuss and we perform in hands-on. First, the main aim of the project is to this is our first project. So we have do on hands-on. We have some experience on how to use these pandas and how to use NumPy and how to use Matplotlib and how to draw the graphs. This is now let's see how to use these different types. So first import the important libraries. Let's let's import. Now we can write the name of the project text data analysis. Based on YouTube. So this is our text data analysis based on comments on YouTube. So first we will import the necessary libraries. Put NumPy as MP. Put pandas as PD. Here NumPy is used for easy calculation. Here NumPy stands for numerical Python and pandas is used to create the data frames. And Matplotlib is used for plotting the by 2D and 3D visualizations. Import Matplotlib plot Python as VLT. From this we have run. So we have to read the data. So we have to read the data. So we have to check how to read the data. Now let's initialize the data B. PF equal to PD. Here PD means we rewrite the pandas as PD. So PD dot we have to read the data. So read our file will be in the form of CSV. So PD dot read CSV. We have to we have to this is our data. So this is our data from the this is our data location. So here you have to enter your data location. So this is the file name ucsv.usc.csv is the file name. So here you have entered data location, data file path. This is the data file path on Badlands keep. So if there is any errors, you have to keep these errors. Here R stands for read. So now let's run. Now let's see the data set. This is our data set. So data set. Now let's find the size of the data set. Can know pf dot shape. So this is our data set. It contains 6,09,400 rows and 4 columns. Here the number of columns: one video ID and two comment text and three likes and four replies. Now let's check whether there is any empty rows or not. So we have to first see the first five. So that pf dot head. So we have to run. We have to see the first five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to see the first 10. So here mention 10. It gives the first 10 values. So when we enter the empty pf head, you can get the first five values, or you can get any number of values by entering the pf dot head equal to number of values you want. They can give the values. Now let's see. Now we have to check any values is any column or rows are be empty. So from this we have to write pf dot is null. Now here see all false. When there is a true, then we can get there is a null value. There is a empty blank. So we have to see how to find that. We have to pf dot. So there is a 4 columns. So we have to sum of those columns. We can find that how many empty rows are there. So here the video ID, there is no empty comment text, there are 26 empty blocks, and likes, there is no empty replies, there is no empty. So we have, this is how to check if there is any empty values or not. So now there is a less number of empty spaces. So we have dropped these all 26. So from these, how to drop? I have write the code pf dot drop and a. How to drop in place equal to true. Whether there is a true, we can drop these values. So now let's check whether the values are drop or not. So we have to write the same code here. Pf dot is null dot sum. Now let's see. There is a no empty blocks. This is about how to clean our data set. How to clean our text data. So there is no empty spaces. All blanks must be filled by a value. So we can get from these we have to completion our text cleaning process. Now let's discuss about the sentiment analysis. From the sentiment analysis, we have to import the text blob. So we have to complete the text cleaning process. So here where we have to run. So here we have to see that the text cleaning process. So we have to insert it there. From here we have to do what we have to do. Text cleaning process. Now we have to perform sentiment analysis. From the sentiment analysis, why the sentiment analysis we have to perform? Suppose if I have a one video, the user one from this video they mention that video are quite helpful. Videos are quite helpful. This is the one user answer and another user they says that videos are not videos are unable to understand. This is the different opinions from the different authors. From this, we have performed the sentiment analysis. So we have two different types of sentiment analysis. So how to calculate the sentiment analysis? By using the based on polarity. Based on polarity, we have to in the sentiment analysis. So positive polarity, positive polarity in between 0, comma 1 and negative polarity minus 1, comma 2. So from this we have to understand polarity lies in between minus 1, comma 1. So from this we have to write all these in extra all these increments. So this is about the concept of polarity. So when we have based on the polarity, we have to find whether it is a positive and negative comments. So this is about the sentiment analysis. Suppose if polarity B neutral becomes zero. So polarity B neutral value is zero. This is the concept of the polarity. No, we have to from this polarity we have to perform the sentiment analysis. We have to import the text block. So pip install text block. Already I have installed. So from this we have to ensure that how to install it. So if they are waiting here defaulting installation because normal file packages are not available. So there is any error. We have that. On this we have to install the text block. So we have already installed this text block. So here they say the requirement already satisfied. So if you are the first time, so you have to install by using the pip install text block. No, you have to import from text block. Import text block. Now once we have to see the data. So it contains video ID, comment text, likes, and polyplays. So we have to add this data. We have add another column that is another row that is polarity. So now let's see how to find this polarity by using. So suppose we have to use this text block. So text block. We have to take the first comment. We have to check the polarity. We have to copy. To paste it. I have to perform polarity. Now we have to run. So why there is error? Why there is error? So here it takes this from this we have to take. So we have to take this as a double inverted commas. So I think it's correct. And once we check, okay, now let's run. Yes, here the polarity is zero. From this way, we have to find all these all the comment text polarity. Now how to find by using a for loop, we have to find all these comment text polarity from for comment. We have to use the polarity for comment in where the polarity text will be a comment text. For comment in P of comment text, so we have to write the text block. We have to copy the same here. Instead of this, we have to write the comment text block comment perform sentiment not polarity. from this, where to store this polarity for each one. So from this, we have to create a list. Polarity equal to empty list. So we have to append this polarity dot append append text blob of comment polarity. So it's okay, but if there is any errors, so we have to handle this by using a error handling technique. So for this we have to use the try and catch block. So we have to try polarity dot append or in case if there is any error, you can use the except block except polarity and append. We have to append the if there is any we have to for this we have to append polarity. We have to polarity dot append the value 0 for this. So this is about how to calculate the polarity of each comment. Now let's run the program. So we have to see the let's calculate the length of polarity. Here it take time. Here there is a star means it have running. So number of rows that means the number of columns. So the number of comments will be 6,900 like 991,400 rows. So it takes some time to get the values of the polarity. So let's wait. So yeah, just we have to write how to write, calculate the polarity. So we have to each one. So from this we have to take the for loop. We have to take each one and then perform sentiment analysis and calculate the polarity. So each polarity can be stored by using a polarity in by using the list. We have to append this polarity. If there is any exception, then we have to append that polarity be neutral. That means the value becomes zero. So let's wait. It's still running. Why? Because it takes time. The length of the comments must be more. Calculate that 6 lakh. Yes, nearly it takes 7 lakhs. Why? Because 6 lakh 91,400. So nearly it takes 7 lakhs. Governments they execute. That's right. Here, text block plays a key role to perform the sentiment analysis for each of the comments. So we need to import the text block and we perform the type of analysis. Mistake not much time. Please wait. Okay. Please wait. Yeah, we can get the values of the polarity Here we see that the length of polarity equal to 691,374. 374. Why is 374? Here we have to comment drop this 26. So we can get the value 374. So we have to append this polarity to the table from here. Our table name is PF. So we have to add polarity equal to polarity equal to polarity. We have to add, now we have to see the table PF dot head. We have to run. Oh, it takes time. It takes time. We have append these 6 lakhs from this table. Here head, I am already says that head can calculate that the first 5 numbers. So we have to enter the number 6. So we calculate the first 6 numbers. So let's append polarity to the data frame. Please wait. It's not take that much time. From this, we have to stop the class, stop the project from the remaining concept. We have to upload. We have to start the another meeting from this. We have to calculate this, practice all this by using how to read the data, by using pandas, by using how to read a CSV file, by using the pandas. What are the necessary package to perform the data analysis, and how to know the shape of the data frame, and how to represent the, how to show the values, first 5, first 10, and for the number of values you want, and how to calculate. Now let's see the cleaning process is what is so we have to know how many number of columns be empty. So here we have to find the sum so that we can know the number of spaces be empty. So here the less number of spaces. So we can simply drop that. How to drop? So we can simply drop that to comments, and then we have to this is about the cleaning process. Now sentiment analysis. From the sentiment analysis, we have to find the polarity of the comments. So we have to install the text block. From this text block, we have to import text block. So text block can perform the sentiment and polarity. So we can get the length of. So here we can get the polarity and PF of head. So we can add the polarity column from this table. So this is about. So from this we can stop the reading. We can continue with the tomorrow.